Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's Greenticker NGX Daily Market Summary. I do this every day at the close of markets, talking about key points in today's trading session, as well as any key corporate announcements. Thank you to everyone who takes out the time to like, to share, to subscribe. Greatly appreciate you for doing so. Please keep doing so, but do note, nothing I say is financial or trading or personal finance advice. Please do your own research. If you find this content interesting, educating, do me a favor, take out the time and share on your stories, your WhatsApp stories, Instagram stories, TikTok stories, Telegram stories, any platform that has stories. Take out the time to share. All share index fell 0.70%. Now, in case you keep hearing it, anytime you're listening to market reports, you always would mention it. The all share index, the all share index, the all share index. What is the all share index? The index measures average performance of stocks on the exchange. Some stocks will do better than the index. Some stocks will do worse than the index. Who led the gainers today? Div Capital led the way, up 9.70% to close at 1.81 naira. At second place is ASO Savings, up 8.86% to close at 86 kobo. Has been pushing. This should be the third or fourth day of back-to-back gains for that stock since it came off suspension. McNichols, third place, 6.7% gain, 6.67% gain to close at 3.20 naira. Switching lanes to the losing side of things. Better Glass fell 10% to close at 437 naira and 40 kobo. John Holt, one of Nigeria's oldest conglomerates, if I recall correctly, also fell 10% to close at 5 naira 40 kobo. E-Transact, third worst performing stock today, down 9.67% to close at 13 naira 55 kobo. On the volume side of things, Tantalizers led the way with 56.7 million shares traded. Sovereign Trust Insurance, second place, 46 million shares traded. Access Corporation, third place with 38.6 million shares traded. Now, to the value side of things, GTCO with 3.08 billion naira worth of shares traded. GTCO, by the way, is the parent company of the popular GT Bank. But what you have listed on the NGX is the holding company or holdco. Aradel, second place with 2.7 billion naira worth of shares traded. Zenith Bank takes third place with 1.08 billion naira worth of shares traded. It is any season. So you have a number of firms filing their numbers. Most firms on the NGX run the calendar from January to December. So the numbers you're having are for the last quarter, Q3. That is from July, August, September for most firms. Now, obviously, having Q3, you also have agglomerated together, if that's the correct way of using that word, or you have agglomerated together and numbers for the 9 months of the year, January to September. And so in that case, what you have are 9-month numbers as well as Q3 numbers. So what I have here are the 9-month numbers. For my analysis on Spotify and everywhere else, I tend to split sometimes the Q3 numbers and then the 9-month numbers to see if Q3 numbers are better than 9 months. Just in case you're not sure what I mean by Q3, Q1, and all the rest of that, go check out the beginner series. I have it up on Spotify as well as a playlist on YouTube. So, Unilever 9-month 25 numbers, 155.4 billion naira in revenue, 21.9 billion naira in profit after tax. VFD, by the way, has the right issue ongoing at the moment. VFD 9-month 25 numbers, 60.7 billion in revenue and 6.6 billion in profit after tax. Coronation Group is the parent company for the popular WAPIC Insurance. Coronation Group, with a profit after tax of 3.7 billion naira, fell sharply compared to the same period last year due to lower FX gains. Mikio is a firm in the pharma space. Mikio made 60 billion in revenue and 4.4 billion naira in profit after tax for the 9 months ended September 2025. Cadbury Nigeria with 119.2 billion in revenue and 9.6 billion in profit after tax for the 9 months ended September 2025. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Just in case you find this time doesn't work for you, not to worry. 5 p.m. on my Substack, you can get this as a Substack post. All the links are in my bio. And then for audio, this goes up by 7 p.m. West African time. So it's spaced out. There's something for everyone. There's a time zone for everyone. There's a platform for everyone. Whichever you find useful, follow all I say, because you would have more content go out on Spotify and then probably have YouTube. But eventually, you should have more content go out on the website. So, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have yourselves a lovely day ahead. I'll see you tomorrow in tomorrow's pre-market video. Stay safe.